All right, let's talk about grabbing B-roll and specifically drones. Now, drones add a different perspective. The best thing about a drone shot in motorcycle videos is it adds context. It tells you where you are. There's a different perspective because all our perspective is on the ground and it's from the bike. So if we grab a few drone shots from the location that we're at and so on, then it adds a different perspective, gives a bit of context to where we are. Now, particularly if we're riding into sceneries that are great, that look good from above, and let's be honest, most of the places we ride to see sceneries, we ride to see things. So capturing a drone shot of those is going to add a lot of value to your video. Key thing to think about is no one's interested in watching the drone shots specifically. What they're interested in is more of the story, right? The drone is helping get a different perspective of the story. Drone shots are fantastic as transitions from one scene to the next. So consider if you're arriving into a location, a quick little drone shot to set up the transition between being on the bike and not being on the bike. It's a great way to sort of transition from one scene to the next. And then same when you decide to leave, you've got a drone shot as you go out. Now, it doesn't mean you need to capture it as you're leaving. Just when you arrive, throw the drone up, grab a shot of the road coming in and a shot of the road going out, and grab a bunch of shots of the location. Key thing about the drone shots is keep them short and sharp. Don't spend your whole time on them, right? You're not going to use them. You're not going to grab all your drone shots and drop them into that one scene in the shot, right? You're probably going to use 2 to 3 seconds of it in total. So don't spend forever grabbing all these, grabbing 15 minutes of drone footage, because you're not going to use 15 minutes of drone footage, right? Just grab context of the road coming in, the road going back out again, the location that you're at, and that's it. As we talked before about the different angles, you're breaking up the angles as well, sort of telling your audience a bit more about what's happening, what's in the area, but you're breaking up those boring shots. There's also the Fight Club rule around drone shots. Don't talk about the drone. Don't talk about the drone shots. The amount of videos where someone says, oh, now I'm going to capture a drone shot. It's like, I don't know, how's that adding to the story? That doesn't add to the story. Don't talk about the drone. The drone is just a different perspective, right? When you're watching a movie, someone doesn't come into the movie and say, oh, by the way, this is a helicopter shot, right? It doesn't make any sense. So don't talk about the drone. Now, aside from the drone as an opportunity to get different perspectives, your GoPro is also another camera that can capture really good B-roll footage. Capture shots of the bikes as they're lined up out the front of the location or wherever you're at. Capture some nice low shots of bikes looking up. And make sure you capture the people if they're happy to be on the camera. If your friends are all happy to be on camera and be a part of the video, then make sure you grab shots of them. That's really, really important.